parent attorney. This is the first year, and this was Vivek Sankaran's idea. He's a law professor at the University of Michigan, and he put it on us. You really got to get parent attorneys. You know, I said, well, are there any good ones? He said, oh, yeah. And then he goes and nominates the best. He knew he had this up his sleeve, I think. Our parent attorney of the year is Tracy Green, who is with the Detroit Center for Family Advocacy in Wayne County. Tracy, come on up. Tracy has represented parents in child welfare cases for 11 years. She obtained her law degree from Wayne State University. She is currently the managing attorney at the Detroit Center for Family Advocacy. She is described as a passionate and tireless advocate for parents who maintains incredible relationships with her clients. She is nurturing, attentive, and really works hard to understand what her clients are going through and what they need. These attributes are likely linked to her previous work as a caseworker in the child welfare system. Tracy is well respected by jurists and her attorney colleagues in Wayne County for her professionalism, expert knowledge, and zealous representation of her clients. She's a trainer and speaker on both the state and national level, and serves on the board of Vista Maria, a private child placing agency in the Detroit area. Congratulations, Tracy.
Thank you so much, everybody. Two disclaimers. I am a lawyer, so maybe just a bit long-winded, hope not. And I'm a bit of a crybaby. But I do have a little bit to say, and so I hope I'll get through this. I am so deeply honored and humbled by this award. And I recognize that being the first award in the state of Michigan bestowed upon a parent's attorney, that it signifies really more about what others before me and who work in the field beside me are doing in the field of child welfare to promote good outcomes for children in the vein of parent representation. It's really not about me at all, or about the accomplishments that I've had over the past year, or the work I've done in the Detroit Center for Family Advocacy. It's really about a very long-awaited recognition of the role that parents' attorneys play in family preservation and, yes, child advocacy. And it's a validation of that work and that contribution. And so I stand here today really as a steward of this award with great humility, because there are so many hardworking, dedicated professionals who endure every day scorn, ridicule, dismissiveness, the gamut of very negative reaction to their zealous advocacy on behalf of their clients. And really this award, therefore, is for them. And I just get to take it home with me. I want to dedicate very briefly the award to all of my clients, past, present, and future, whose stories of hope and perseverance and courage and redemption motivate me and inspire me every day to do the work that I do, and remind me how important it is, and keep me mindful that there, but for the grace of God, really, go I or any of us, any of you. I want to thank God for being me fit to serve humanity in this way. I want to thank the Michigan Supreme Court and the Foster Care Review Board for bestowing this honor upon me, and again recognizing the work of parents' attorneys in this arena. And I want to thank my colleagues and dear friends at the Detroit Center for Family Advocacy, one of whom is here today, our reigning lawyer guardian ad litem, Rabina Vasafa, and Jamila Weathers, our social worker, Denise Madewell, Nancy Colon, Melanie Macy, and Jennifer Carney, all of whom work so hard and so passionately on behalf of our clients. And they make my job easier, and they make me look good. And I want to thank Professor Vivek Sankaran, who, as Mr. Novell just alluded, had more than a little to do with my getting this award or even being established, for his vision for the Detroit Center for Family Advocacy and for entrusting me with that vision. And last but not least, I want to thank my husband, Andre Green. And Judge Harrison said it us this morning, no one who does anything worth doing does it alone. He's really the wind beneath my wings. He tells me I can when I'm saying I can't, which is pretty frequently. He endures my ranting and raving when I come home from court, displaying such indignation about what's going on with my poor client. And he's my hero. Thank you so much, Andre. And thank all of you.
Thank you. Elaine and Amy, could you come back up here and bring your awards here? We want you to sit at this table here. We're going to have a group picture here.